2401 Northwest 105th Lane here in Sunrise, Florida. This is the main line. Straight ahead is going up to the vent stack. To the left is the guest bathroom's toilet flange. The main line has a couple of cracks that were too high for us to actually fill completely. So sections of this main line will need to have a CIPP liner pulled in place. Coming up to the left right here, what you see is the laundry branch. Okay, so right here you'll see the beginning of the first one, about 23 feet in. It was just too high for us to actually fill with epoxy. If I would have continued to try to fill that in, I would have created a very flat bottom in this area right here, and it would have potentially caused blockages in the future. So from this section back a little bit would need a CIPP liner pulled in place. There's the second hole to the left. There's your third one. You can kind of see there was one right here in the bottom. We were able to successfully fill that. This one here was just taking a lot of material, so the next best thing was to just pull the CIPP liner in place over this. There's another one right there. Coming up right here is the master bathroom branch. Here's another hole right here to the right. And again, we were unsuccessful at filling these. If we would have continued to try and fill with epoxy liner, we would have just created a very flat bottom, which would have potentially caused blockages in the future. There's a little bit of one right there to the bottom of the video, which would be the right side of the pipe.